Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, hello peoples and Mr. Tito. Today, I would like to show you about my presentation by title Reduplication. So, what is reduplication? Reduplication in a morphology, reduplication is a morphological process in which the root or stem of a word or a part of it, or even the whole word is repeated exactly or with a slight change. Reduplication is a word of formation, a process that repeats all of part of a word to convey some from meaning. The range of pattern varies from a single segment being copied to entire phrases. The copying can occur on its own or it can be accompanied by other word formation processes. Brinton 2000 classified three different kinds of reduplication in English. So this is a three classification of reduplication. Number one is exact reduplication. Exact reduplication is a reduplication with a changing consonant but the same vowel. And then number two, a blout reduplication is opposite from a rhyming reduplication, a changing vowel with the same consonant. And then for number three is a rhyme reduplication. Entire words are duplicated. It means both has same a consonant and a vowel without a changing. So the next is a Kaufman 2013 in a general classified types of a reduplication. Yes, for a number one is a full reduplication or entire words duplication. Full reduplication is the repetition of an entire word or word stem root with a one or more affixes. For example, rumah-rumah in Indonesian, but in English is houses. And then for number two, a partial reduplication, a part of word, element, root, stem. A part of word is a duplicated. A partial reduplication means that a duplication only in a part of word, usually a syllable that repeated. For the example is in New Zealand, a woman, a woni in the Philippines, tangata, a person, and a tangata, people or a person. And then reduplication in a baby talk, a simplifying word as a baby acquires language. So this is a baby language. It refers to all of baby language simply. For the example is a father for a papa and mother mama. And then for the next is our rhyming reduplication. Rhyming reduplication are words or phrases that contain a duplicated element. For the example is a lovey, a dovey, a bitsy, itsy bitsy, and wishy washy. And then for the next is a reduplication in onomatopoeia. Reduplication in onomatopoeia is imitating sounds in nature and animal sounds. For the example is for from the animal is dog, woof woof, and then duck, quack quack. And then the last is this is kind of difficult. SHN a reduplication. HN a reduplication is a form of a reduplication in which the original word or its first syllable, the base, is repeated with the copy, the reduplicant, beginning with SHM, SHM, sometimes SCHM, pronounced M. For the example is sarcasm. then skepticism, and then money. I think that's enough for my presentation. Thank you very much for watching. Stay healthy and keep your distancing, and always use your mask, wear your mask, and use your hand sanitizer for this pandemic of spread of COVID-19. Uh, I say thank you again, and then the last essay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.